Good morning, students. This is Shyam Sundar Sharma. Today I am going to explain Rajasthan Board RBSC Class 10th English Literature Poem, Chapter 3rd, the poem Lota. Its poet is Toru Dutt. Now I am going to explain its question answer. First question, why did the Cupid come to Flora? Answer, the god of love Cupid came to Flora, the goddess of flowers, and he asked Flora to create a unique flower. The flower must be the most beautiful of all the flowers. It must be the undisputed queen of flowers. That flower must surpass in beauty and grandeur over the two old rivals, the rose and the lily. What was the cause of quarrel between the lily and the rose? The lily and the rose were old rivals. Both of them competed for the high honor of being called the undisputed queen of flowers. Both of them were proud of their beauty and grandeur, and the rose was proud of its red color, while the white lily had the grace of face of goddess Juno. Even the poet and bards had divided loyalties. One faction favored the rose, while the other sang in praise of the lily. Third question, describe the appearance of the lily. The lily has been an old rival of the rose for the high honor of being the undisputed queen of flowers. The pale face of the white lily resembles the stately and graceful face of goddess Juno. It is rather difficult for the rose to match the dignity and the grace of the lily. Describe the appearance of the rose. The rose has been an old rival of the lily for the high honor of being called the queen of flowers. The redness of the rose had been the first choice of lovers all around the world. Its delicacy and beauty is matchless. A large number of poets have been giving the high honor of being the queen of flowers to the rose. However, some critics believe that the rose cannot match the dignity and the grace of the lily. How did the Cupid hesitate in choosing the color of the desired flower? The god of the love, Cupid, asked Flora to create a unique flower. It would be the undisputed queen of flowers. First, he asked Flora to create a flower that must have the attractive and color of the rose. Then he changed his opinion. He asked her to create a flower that might have the grace of the white lily. In the end, the confused Cupid resolved the issue. He wanted such a unique flower that might have How did Cupid hesitate in choosing the color of the desired flower? The god of love, Cupid, asked Flora to create a unique flower. It would be the undisputed queen of flowers. First, he asked Flora to create a flower that might have the attractive color of the rose. Then he changed his opinion and he asked her to create a flower that might have the grace of the white lily. In the end, the confused Cupid resolved the issue. He wanted such a unique flower that might have the redness of the rose and whiteness of the lily. How did the poet sung? How had the poet sung about the lily and the rose? The rose and the lily had been old rivals to claim the highest honor and the title among flowers. Both of them claimed to be the undisputed queen of flowers. Even the bards or poets had divided loyalties. Some of them sang in praise of the beautiful rose, whose redness had been attracting the lovers since ages. There was another group. They believed that the rose could never tower like the pale lily. The grace and the lily of the lily resemble the beauty face of the goddess too. Thank you very much.